Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the trunk area of the NSX, and this is what Acura has to say. It says the rear cargo area of the new NSX is pleasantly spacious and versatile for a mid-engine high-performance supercar. With 4.4 cubic feet of space and 100 pounds of capacity, the NSX trunk can conveniently accommodate weekend luggage for two or even a golf bag, all easily accessed through the rear cargo area's wide opening. So my wife is standing tall at 4'11", and as you can see in the trunk of this NSX, she sits very comfortably, so there's plenty of room. Me on the other hand, I am 5'11", but I am able to stretch my legs fully out into the side cavity of the trunk. All right, what's going on everybody? Welcome back, another video here. So today we're gonna check the temperature of the trunk to see how hot it gets with the engine being a mid-mounted engine. How hot is the trunk? So let's see what the temperature reads right now. So at this point, the vehicle's been running for about 20 minutes, so we'll go ahead and check the temperature to see how it reads. All right, so we're gonna hop here in the trunk real quick and get a temperature read on how hot it is. So right now we're reading 86.5. $94. 101. So it gets pretty hot in here. Let's do one more spot. Looks like the carpet really keeps the heat out, the little padding insulation here. So we're looking at a fluctuation of between about 90 to 100 degrees. So let's go ahead, get some groceries and see how the trunk does with transporting. All right, so here we go. Got some groceries. You can see everything's fitting in, not too bad. Got a nice little spot here. Put the bread in there. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna take a temp, kind of see how the food is doing temp-wise. So you can see here, 58 degrees on the milk. About 38 degrees on the box of food here. So let's just let's see what the temperature looks like once we get home. So it's about an hour after leaving the grocery store. So let's see how the temp's doing here. So I don't know if that you can see that, but it's reading about, the juice is reading about 50 degrees. Still feels pretty cool. The milk is feeling pretty good too here. Let's see, we got about 40-some degrees, and then the wall here, we're pushing about 86. So this looks like it's consistently around a little below 90s. But yeah, so it is actually practical to transport your groceries in the NSX from the grocery store. Now this was a little bit of a longer run, but you can actually put your groceries in here. I would say probably, you know, the cardboard probably does help to keep some of that heat out. If you got a cardboard box that you're transporting your stuff in, if you put the bag straight in, it probably will get hotter quicker, but there you have it. Hope this video was able to help somebody see the practicality of the trunk space in the NSX. All right, catch you guys on the next video.